Hello, my name is Catherine Franco. My verb is 72. And today it will take up the Festival of San Andres, regional made of shores, ferry, Patria Angle 7th International Ferry Festival, Day of Wreaths, Saint Andres Patriot Saint Festival. The culture of San Andres. Dance, artist, music, traditional concerts were magnificent that were present in San Andres. In a culture stranger between different regions of Colombia, that of the first state unit, manifestations of the territories separated by scarcity. San Andres first. The Theater Festival, Caribbean Everything, the Festival of Flower Field Festival, horse race, other fairs that take place in the San Andres. Thank you for attention.